Question number 5. In triangle ABC, in okay, triangle ABC, measurements of angle A is equal to 7 pi by 36 radian. We will convert it into a degree. 7 pi by 36 into 180 by pi. Pi get cancelled, and 36 pi's is 180. 7 5's are 35. So angle A is a 35 degree. Measurement of angle B is 120 degree. And they told us to find out measurement of angle C in degree and radian. Therefore, we know the by property of triangle. Okay. Measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle B plus measurements of angle C is 180 degree. So angle A is 35 degree, angle B is 120 degree, unknown angle is angle C, that is equal to 180 degree. After adding this becomes 155 degree plus measurements of angle C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, measurements of angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 155 degree. Therefore, measurements of angle C equal to 25 degree. Okay, this is in a degree, and in radian, measurements of angle C equal to 25 into pi by 180. So 5 5's are 5 3's are 5 6's are. So measurements of angle C in radian is 5 pi by 36 radian. Okay. Now next question. Two angles of a triangle are 5 pi by 9 and 5 pi by 18 radian. Find the degree and radian measures of third angle. So this is question 6. Okay. Let angles be A, B and C. Therefore, angle A is 5 pi by 9 radian. Angle B is equal to 5 pi by 18 10. Okay, we will use these angles in degree, or you can use in a radian. Simply addition of three angle is 180. In radian you have to put pi. So 5 pi by 9 in degree becomes 5 pi by 9 into 180 by pi. So pi get cancelled. 9 20's are okay. So this becomes 100 degree. Now angle B is 5 pi by 18. So 5 pi by 18 into 180 by pi. So pi cancel. 18 tens are. So this becomes 50 degree. Therefore, by property of triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A is 100 degree plus angle B is a 50 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So this becomes 150 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to 180 minus 150 degree. Therefore, angle C equal to 30 degree. Now we want that angle in radian. Therefore, angle C equal to 30 into pi by 180. 0 0 cancel. 3 6 are 18. Therefore, angle C becomes pi by 6 radian. Now next. In right angle triangle, the acute angles are in the ratio 4:5. Find the angles of triangle in degree and radian. Now see, question 7. Okay. Let acute Let acute angles of right angled triangle B, A and B. Okay. Therefore, by property of right angled triangle, and angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree, and ratios are given. Ratio of acute angles angles is 4 has to 5. Therefore, these angles are 4K and 5K, where K is constant. Therefore, 4K plus 5K is simply 90 degree. Therefore, okay, we don't need these things. You can start your answer from here also. This becomes 9K equal to 90 degree. Therefore, K equal to 90 by 9. Therefore, K is equal to 10 degree. Therefore, okay, ignore this part. No need to write down this part. Okay. Okay, and this is E1. Okay. Now K is this much. Therefore, angles are 4K is equal to 4 into 10 equal to 40 degree. Okay, it won't in degree and radian. So in degrees is a 40 degree. Similarly, 40 in radian becomes 5 by 180. So this becomes 2 by 9. So this becomes 2 pi by 9 radian. Okay, and second angle is a 5K is equal to 5 into 10 equal to 50 degree. That is equal to 50 into pi by 180. 0 0 cancel, so this becomes 5 pi by 18 radian. This is the answer. Now, eighth one, the sum of two angles is 5 pi radian and their difference is 60 degree. Find their measures in degree. Let angles be x and y. Therefore, sum is x plus y is given 5 radian. So convert 5 radian into degree. It becomes 5 pi into 180 by 5 pi cancel. Therefore, x plus y is simply 900 degree, and difference x minus y is 60 degree. Add equation 1 and 2, we get x plus y equal to 900, x minus y equal to 60. So plus minus pi get cancelled. 2x equal to 960. Therefore, x equal to 960 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 480. Okay, they want in a degree only. So x is a 480 degree. Put x equal to 480 degree in equation 1. We get 480 plus y equal to 900. Therefore y equal to 900 minus 480. This become 420 degree. Okay, now next, the measures of the angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 3:7:8. Find their measures in degree and radian. Question number. Let angles of triangle be 3K, 7K and 8K, where K is constant. Therefore, by property of triangle, okay, 3K plus 7K plus 8K equal to 180. Therefore, 18K equal to 180. Therefore, K is equal to 180 by 18. Therefore, K is equal to 10. Therefore, angles are, okay, we want these angles in degree and radian. Therefore, angles are 3K equal to 3 into 10 equal to 30 degree. That is equal to 30 into pi by 180. This 6 times, this becomes pi by 6 radian. Now 7K is equal to 7 into 10 equal to 70 degree, equal to 70 into pi by 180, 0 cancel. So this becomes 7 pi by 18 radian. Now 3, 7 and 8K equal to 8 into 10 equal to 80 degree. That is equal to 80 into pi by 180, 0 cancel. 2 4s are 2 9s are. So this becomes 4 pi by 9 radian. Okay. Now next question. Question number 10. The measures of the angles of a triangle are in AP and the greatest is 5 times the smallest least. Find the angles in degree and radian. Let angles be A minus D, A and plus D, which are in AP. Okay. Therefore, by property of triangle, A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to 180. Therefore, this D cancel. Therefore, A plus A plus A, 3A is equal to 180. Therefore, A is 180 by 3. Therefore, A is equal to 60. Okay. Now, and what is given? The greatest is 5 times the smallest. The greatest angle is A plus D, which is the 5 times of smallest is A minus D. Okay. Therefore, A plus D is equal to 5A minus 5D. Therefore, this D and this D comes this 5D, that is equal to 5A minus A. Therefore, 60 becomes 4A. Therefore, D is equal to 4 by 6 into A. But A is what? 4 by 6 into A is 60. Okay, this is from 1. So 6 tens are, therefore t is equal to 40. Therefore, angles are, first A minus D, A is 60, minus 40 is 20 degree, and that is in radian. 20 into pi by 180, 2 to cancel, 2 nines are, so this becomes pi by 9 radian. Okay, second angle is simply A, which is equal to 60 degree in radian. 60 into pi by 180, 63 is are, so this becomes pi by 3 radian. And last one is a plus D, that is 60 plus 40, that is equal to 100 degree, is equal to 100 into pi by 180, 2 5s are, 2 9s are, this is equal to 5 pi by 9 radian. This is the answer of question 10. Neither. Next one is a question 11. In a cyclic quadrilateral, two adjacent angles are 40 degree and pi by 3. Find the angles of the quadrilateral in degree. See, in cyclic quadrilateral, this is the, consider this is the circle. In cyclic quadrilateral, take any type of quadrilateral, A, B, C, D. Now see these opposite angles, addition of these opposite angles A and C is always 180 degree. That is the property of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, that's all right. Okay, now see, let angles of cyclic quadrilateral B, A, B, C, and D. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, therefore, by therefore, now given is what? A is equal to, let A is equal to 40 degree and B is equal to 5 by 3 radian, that is equal to 5 by 3 into 180 by 5, pi cancel, 3 6 are, so this is 60 degree. Therefore, by property of cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Sir, therefore A plus C is equal to 180. Therefore, value of is 40 degree plus C is equal to 180. Therefore, C is equal to 180 minus 40. Therefore, C is equal to 140 degree. We name this as a 1, this as a 2, and this is from 1. And see, B plus D is also 180 degree, but B is 60 degree. Therefore, 60 plus D is equal to 180 degree from 2. Okay, therefore, D is equal to 180 minus 60. Therefore, D is equal to 120 degree. Okay, these are the remaining angles in degree. Now next 12th one. One angle of a quadrilateral has measures 2 pi by 5 radian. See, that angle is 2555 radian, means 2 pi by 5 into 180 by pi. So 5 3s are, this is 72 degree. And other angles are in ratio has to 2 has to 3 has to 4. Therefore, angles of quadrilateral are 72 degree. Okay, then 2k, 3k and 4k. Okay, where k is constant. Okay, therefore by property of quadrilateral, 72 degree plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k is equal to 360. Therefore 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 9k, is equal to 360 minus 72. Therefore k is equal to 360, sorry, this is 8. Oh, 8 and 288 by 9. So 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are, therefore k is simply 32 degree. Now we want angles in degree and radian. The first one is in radian also and it is degree also. This first one is done. Now therefore angles are, okay, first one is a 72 degree and that is there. Therefore angles are 2k equal to 2 into 32 is equal to 64 degree. Okay, that is equal to 64 into pi by 180. After dividing it by 4, okay, 4 ones are 4 6 are 44, 24. This becomes 45. So this becomes 16 pi by 45 radian. Okay, this is second angle. Now 2k, 3k equal to 3 into 32. This is 96 degree. That is equal to 96 into pi by 180. Again divided by 4, it becomes 4 2s are 4 4s are, here 45. This is divisible by 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 15 3s are. So this becomes 8 pi by 15 radian. Now next is a 234. Okay, that is a 4k. Therefore 4k is 4 into 32, 128 degree. So in radian, 128 into pi by 180, again divisible by 4, 3s are 2s are. So this becomes 45. So this is not divisible by further number. This is 32 pi by 45 radian. So this is the answers of all the angles of quadrilateral. So you can write down here. Therefore, angles of quadrilateral are, first one is a 72, I think 72 degree, 64 degree, 96 degree, 128 degree in degree, and 2 pi by 5 radian, 16 pi by 45 radian, 8 pi by 15 radian, 32 pi by 45 radian in radian. Okay, this is the answer of question 12. Now 13. Find the degree and radian measure of exterior and interior angle of a regular pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, and octagon. For first pentagon, no. For pentagon, number of, okay, for pentagon, number of sides n is equal to 5. Therefore, we know that, see, exterior angle is simply 360 divided by n. 360 divided by n is, here n is 5. So this becomes 5 7 are 5 2 are. So exterior angle in degree it becomes 72 degree, and in radian 72 into pi by 180. 9 8s are 72, 9 2s are, okay. Now 4 2s are 4 5s are, so it becomes 2 pi by 5 radian. Now interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree, because these two angles are on one single line. Therefore, interior angle, exterior angle is a 72 degrees. So this becomes, interior angle is 180 minus 72 degree. So this becomes 108 degree, and that is equal to 108 into pi by 180. 18 6 are 18 10s are, 2 3s are 2 5s are. So this is in radian become 3 pi by 5 radian. This is the answer for pentagon. Now for hexagon. Second is, okay, therefore number of sides n equal to 6. A formula, and we know that exterior angle is simply 360 divided by n. So 360 divided by n is 360 divided by n is a 6. 6 6 are. So this become 60 degree. Okay, and that 60 degree in a radian, pi by 180 becomes 3. So this becomes pi by 3 radian. Now, okay, exterior and interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180. Therefore, interior angle plus exterior angle is a 60 degrees. So this becomes 180. Therefore, interior angle becomes 180 minus 60 equal to 120 degree. That is in radian 120 into pi by 180, 0 0 cancels, 6 2s are 6 3s are, so this becomes 2 pi by 3 radian. Okay, this is for hexagon. Next, for heptagon. Number of sides n equal to 7. Therefore, exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by 7. So you have to divide it as much as possible. This is 360. You divide by 7. 7 5 is 35. 10 remaining. 7 1s are 7. So 3 remaining. 7 4s are 28. 2 remaining. 7 2s are 14. 6 remaining. 7 8s are 56. 4 remaining, and so on. This is rational number. So exterior angle I can write down 51.43 after rounding off up to this decimal place 42 degree. Okay. Similarly, if I want it in a radian, this is simply, okay, 360 is simply 2 pi upon 7 radian. So exterior angle in radian is a 2 pi by 7 radian. Okay, here you can write down the reason. 360 is simply 2 pi radian. Okay, that is the reason. Now, interior angle is plus exterior angle is equal to, we can write down two ways, that is 180 degree for degree. Therefore, interior angle plus 51.4 degree equal to 180. Therefore, interior angle is equal to 180 minus 51.4 degree, that is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 4 is 5 point, again 9 minus 1 is a 8, and here 7, sorry, not 7, 7 minus 5 is 2, 128. Okay, this is the interior angle in degree. Now again I am going to use this formula, interior angle plus exterior angle. 180 is simply pi. See, 180 degrees is simply pi radian. Okay, therefore interior angle plus exterior angle is how much? That is 2 pi by 7. This is 2 pi by 7 equal to pi. Therefore, interior angle is equal to pi minus 2 pi by 7. This becomes 7 pi minus 2 pi by 7. This becomes 5 pi by 7 radian. Okay. I use this method because converting it into radian is quite difficult. Okay. This is the simplest way. Now next, for octagon. Number of sides n is equal to 8. Therefore, exterior angle is 360 divided by n. 360 divided by 8. So this becomes 4 2s are 4 9s are, so simply 45 degree. Okay, now in radian this becomes 45 into 5 by 180. This become 4s are, so this become 5 by 4 radian. Now interior angle, interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180. Therefore, interior angle plus exterior angle is 40 degree, that is 180. Therefore, interior angle is equal to 180 minus 45, that is 135 degree. Again, to convert it into radian, we have to multiply pi by 180. 5 2s are 5 7s are 5 3s are 5 6s are. Again, after dividing by 9, 9 3s are 9 4s are. It becomes 3 pi by 4 radian.